Hello friends, I pray God for all. Today's painting Hydrangea flowers. Now I am creating the cut for locating flowers. So I am using some burnt umber, some burnt sienna, some titanium white and little bit of crimson red. And using round brush to create it like this. Because of this painting I am using 12 by 16 canvas board. Already I have completed the background. And I prepared the background, use sap green and lemon yellow and a little bit of titanium white to the entire canvas. Here sap green is the very strong color. Because of this I am using the lemon yellow and a little bit of titanium white too. Now I am marking and creating the shape of the leaves where it will be located. First creating the shape of the flowers and leaves to mark where they will be located and fill the colors on it. Here I am using the acrylic colors for the flowers, pink, blue and purple colors. To apply the darker shade where the flowers meet each other, this darker shade will differentiate the flowers each other. I am creating here more wild hydrangea flowers. First I am filling the darker shade. Here I am using one stroke technique and mixing the two shades of colors. The first one blue with a little bit of titanium white and the hydrangea flowers having the 4 petals. So first I am creating the flower petals like this. And next, just to wait the first layer of petals dry completely. After finishing that, we have to start the second layer. For the second layer, I am adding little bit of more titanium white. I add with blue and make the flower petals like this. Now this is the turn to create the leaves. First fill the leaves with the sap green. Next the center part of the leaves little darker than the outer part. Now using round size 2 and pointed the edge of the entire leaves. The outside of the leaves edge point just to highlight with yellow and marking the central parts of the leaves like this. Follow the same techniques other all the leaves too. Finally, I am starting to create with the titanium white on it like this. This will give more realistic look for the flowers. So, remaining the same method, continue to other all the flowers too. Now the hydrangea flowers located in the cart, the beautiful painting is ready. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.